Millet Marvels, changing the way world eats by Tenali Double Horse.
Well, welcome to my show Trendsetters. Well, today now new trend has come. Celebrity restaurants. So many celebrities are opening their own restaurant in Hyderabad city. I think Hyderabad is now again getting a big boom in the field of restaurant. So well, now it's a new restaurant Arambham in Hyderabad by Rakul Preet Singh. Rakul Preet Singh has launched this own. I'm talking about not the normal one. That's her own restaurant. She own it, and I mean, she came up with a new concept of millets, like the all jowar, ragi, millets, the kind of nutrition food you can have it here. So let's find out. Actually, she is a fitness freak, you know, she's more fit about her health and everything, but she's more concerned about her fans also, I think. So she came up with this concept. So let's find out what is it all about this restaurant. Let's take you for a small tour and what kind of food they are serving and what's her favorite food. So please come, let's go. So let's go inside. So now we are inside the Arambham restaurant, and well, Rakul Preet Singh is not there. She always there to support us, especially she always support me, but due to some work reason she's not here, but we got the right person who can give her more details about the food, about the ambience. So let me first welcome you, sir. You are Mr. Venkat, right?
Yes, yes.
So, I mean, that's happened, you know, that's okay. So I just want to start with, you know, what's the name Arambham? First, the name is so catchy.
So,
do you know the history or word name?
Yeah. Basically, Arambham means start.
Okay.
Every day we need to start our day with a healthy food.
Yeah.
You can see Arambham is a Sanskrit word, and it is same. It gives same meaning across multiple languages like Hindi, Telugu, Tamil. In every language, Arambham means start. That's why we choose this Arambham. And coming to logo, it is a rising sun. You
Okay.
can see. Shall I show the?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, what do you want to show?
So this is our logo. You can see the sun. From the sun rays, we have designed this logo.
Okay. So that was. So I
This
just
is
want
the
to
sun.
know, as Rakul is again there in her own brand, obviously,
Yeah.
how you met Rakul Preet Singh and what is the coordination goes?
So
because
basically-
you are handling the main part.
Yeah, basically we Cure Foods are into food business from the ages. Rakul is a foodie, and she is very interested in fitness also. So she has a thought of venturing into F&B segment. And when we pitched this idea to Rakul, she is very excited and she immediately accepted.
How you come in touch? Like how you were together? Like you met each other?
Basically, our CEO Ankit has some kind. Our CEO Ankit, Pure Food CEO,
Okay.
founder. He approached Rakul.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then
Yes.
you
yes.
met her.
Yes, yes.
So what is this all about? If we say Arambham, what new dishes or what kind of healthy food you are providing as compared to we talk about outside?
So basically, whenever you think healthy means salads will come into your mind, juices will come into your mind, some sprouts. We can't eat that everyday basis. We thought we will start the healthy food and fed up after having 2 to 3 times. So we thought we should make the day-to-day food healthy. See, you can have idli and dosa every day, but you can't have salads every day, right?
Yeah.
That is how this idea was born. We need to convert our day-to-day food into healthy.
Okay.
That might be parota, that might be paratha, that might be pulao. So we just want to change the regular food into healthy, and that's how we start. We converted every cuisine into
Healthy food.
Yes.
Like most of the millets, what kind of ingredients you are using?
So basically, in our menu, we use foxtail millet, bajra, finger millet,
Okay.
and sorghum millet. Coming to breakfast, we majorly concentrated on idli and dosa. This is
Okay.
made up of finger millet and sorghum.
Okay.
And coming to North Indian dishes like paratha, and all this consists of bajra,
Oh,
ragi and jowar.
wow. That's
This-
great. So I think lot of research has happened,
Yes,
you know.
yes, yes. See, few millet will work for few kind of dishes. We can't make
Everything.
Yeah, we can't make everything with one millet. We did R&D for almost 1 year. We segregated few millets to few dishes. That is how For now, we use only 4 type of millets.
Okay.
Yeah,
So let me come up with a small tour, you know, how the interior is. It's very simple and
Yeah.
sober. So I just want you to come and show us what is this all about? We
So
talk about
basically,
this
these
idea.
are the type of millets.
I think interior come the information
Yeah,
is
we
what
just
we are
want
eating.
to.
Yeah.
We just want to educate the people. These
Okay.
here you can see all type of millets. We have finger millet, foxtail millet, pearl millet. Everything
So
is
these
there.
are the millets made up of items food we will
Yes,
get here.
yes,
So
yes.
just to give the information and
Yes.
use it as interior work also.
Sorry?
As a part of interior also, it looks
Yeah, yeah.
good.
Yes, yes.
So whose idea is this?
Basically, we have designers. Yeah,
Okay.
They give the design, and even in design part, reviews part, testing part, Rakul also involved very well. She take reviews once in a
Week or
Yeah.
month. Okay, so we'll go.
Even she curated few dishes also.
Also, Rakul has come up with new dishes also. So what are the new dishes she has made, like came up with that idea or
So
curated?
basically, she like millet vegetable khichdi,
Okay.
and that is a huge success.
Okay.
And we have millet kheer.
Okay.
These two are the major success for now. And millet puri is the best-selling item.
Millet puri, okay. So what is her favorite? As you told, she has created, so must be her favorite.
Yes, yes.
But when she comes
Her,
here,
her comfort food is a homely vegetable khichdi and millet kheer. She like this item.
so whenever she comes here, what she
Yeah.
orders the most dish?
Vegetable khichdi.
Vegetable khichdi.
Yes, yes.
That's made up of millets.
Foxtail millet and
Foxtail millet.
Yes.
And something on other items, if not khichdi or some other items she ordered.
We have paratha, aloo paratha and paneer paratha. That is made up of multi-millet.
Wow, I must say you're serving to all
And
the
you
people.
should try all the items.
My God. I mean, we always had a plain, no, aloo paratha because she's from North. She's a Punjabi
yes,
girl,
yes.
so she wants a lot of good food.
Yes.
So parathas are first response, you
Yeah.
know, first crave.
We are working on more North Indian cuisines. Now
Okay.
we are working on poha. and,
Okay,
yeah.
poha. That
Yeah.
made up of what, like?
Jowar flakes.
Jowar
In-
poha.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so as you know, she's a celebrity in, you know, cinema. So has she got her friends? Their friends are coming from celebrity.
Yes,
They are
yes.
giving good
Yes,
response.
yes. Her friends came very frequently and they used to pass on the feedback. And we interact with customers every day. We are receiving good feedback.
So who are the Telugu celebrities who have come and they give good compliments?
Few singers came and few side artists came.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the actors whom she has worked with all big actors.
Yes, yes.
I think she has not left with any actor, yeah.
Most of the people used to order online also. We are serving from 10 locations in
Okay,
Hyderabad.
okay.
You can order anywhere from Hyderabad through Swiggy and Zomato. So most of the celebrities order on Swiggy and Zomato.
So like Ram Charan, Mahesh
Yeah, yeah.
Babu, Prabhas, or we talk
Yes.
about his co-stars, so many.
Yes, yes.
So Ram Charan sir has ordered something from here till
I
now?
am not sure.
Like what's his favorite? Or
I
the
am not
actors have ordered and what is their favorite from this restaurant?
No, I am not sure on this
Okay.
whether they order or not.
Ordered or not.
Yeah, yeah.
But most of the celebrities what liking from the popular item from this restaurant?
Basically, that varies. See, if you take South Indian items,
Yeah, sometimes what happens, there is always a popular item
Yeah.
demand, like we
Yeah.
want this.
vegetable khichdi is
Vegetable
our killer.
khichdi.
Yeah.
Okay, for all the celebrities also.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
That is the comfort food. You don't feel heavy even after having that meal.
Mm-hmm.
That's the thing.
So well, let's go back. I mean, people are enjoying. So
You can
Aram
take
will
the
start.
feedback.
Yeah, Alarm. So Rakul ka, I think she did her shoot also. So I've
Yes.
seen it's a very simple restaurant. Like
Yes.
people always think when it's a restaurant
Basically,
of a celebrity.
everybody have a perception that
Yeah.
when any celebrity open in the restaurant, it should be more premium.
and this is
But
a
we are
Rakul in-
our
Ra-
prices are very low and it is accessible to all.
That's a good thing, but
Yeah.
mostly, you know, Rakul is a big star and people
Yes,
always,
yes.
that's her own restaurant. So
Yes.
we will always say, oh, she must have done
Yes,
so
yes.
much. But I think this is so elegant and very simple, which
Our
is
goal
rated.
is
Food
simple.
should be
We
good.
want to make healthy food affordable and accessible to all. That's why we kept the minimal prices.
Very good. So let's go to that kitchen. You very nicely said Sri Anna Atiti Devo Bhava. So we'll go that side. So this is the place where we can have food. You said very
you
nicely
can-
recently that so many things are happening.
Yes, yes. You
Like-
can see the kitchen. There we prepare Idli. This equipment we brought it from Bangalore. This
Okay.
is specially designed. Basically, there is a tendency that if we grind it batter, due to the heat generation in grinding, we will lose some nutrition. So we grind our batter in such a way that we do slow grinding for a more time.
Okay.
See, for example, if you are grinding at more speed for 10 minutes, it will kill all the nutrition in the batter. So we do for more time with less speed. That will keep the nutrition in the batter. And in that mission, we will have the temperature and time, so that we will give the proper SOPs.
But that this is an open kitchen because people
Yes.
can see their food preparation.
Yeah.
Because nowadays so many, GHMC and so many, raids are happening, and people are little bit scared
You
to
can
come.
you can see what is happening. See, we observe a lot of people coming with their kids to feed.
Yes,
In
yes,
the especially
yes.
in the evening.